Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rank your Wix website on Google in 2026, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. By the end, you will understand how to get traffic from search and grow your website consistently. So let's get started. Understand how Google ranking works. Right? To rank on Google, you need relevant content, proper keywords, good user experience, backlinks. SEO is not instant, it's a long-term gain. Step 2, choose the right keywords. Before creating content, find what people are searching for. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggests. Look for low competition keywords, specific phrases, long tail keywords. Example, fitness. That's wrong. The correct way is home workout plan for beginners. Okay? And optimize your page title and URL inside Wix. Right? Go to the page setting. Right? So let me go ahead and edit site. And I'm gonna wait for a few moments, but basically go to the page settings and hit edit. The page title and URL. Example: the title should be Best Budget Planner for Beginners 2026. The URL should be yoursite.com/budget planner. Keep it clean and keyword focused. Right? Step 4, write high quality content. Content is the most important factor. Make sure your content solves a problem, is easy to read, includes keywords naturally. Longer valuable content ranks better. Step 5, use headings properly. Structure your page like H1 main title, H2 sections, H3 subsections. This helps Google understand your content. And inside Wix, add alt text to images, compress image size. Example, alt text, budget planner, printable template. This improves SEO and speed. Step 7, improve website speed. Fast websites rank higher. To optimize speed, use smaller images, avoid too many animations, keep design simple. Speed means better ranking plus better user experience. Right? So as we said before, optimize your page title, right? And of course, that domain. You can add a simple domain here and name that site something simple, right? So the page title should be this best budget planner for beginners, and the URL should be simple enough, like yoursite.com/budget planner. Keep it simple. All right. Step 7, improve website speed. Fast websites rank higher. To optimize speed, use smaller images, avoid too many animations, keep design simple. Right? So speed means better ranking, better user experience. All right? So make your site mobile friendly. Most users are on mobile. So in Wix, check mobile view by hitting the site or hitting the phone icon, and fix layout issues. Google ranks mobile friendly sites higher. And then connect to Search Console or Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console or console, right? Add your website and verify ownership, right? And submit, of course, your site map. This helps Google index your site faster. Step 10, use Wix SEO setup checklist. Wix has a built-in SEO help. Inside Wix, open SEO setup checklist and follow the steps. Great for beginners, right? And build backlinks. Backlinks means other websites linking to you. Ways to get them is guest posts, social media, directories, collaborations. More backlinks means higher authority. Step 12, post content consistently. Don't stop at one page. Create blog posts, guides, tutorials. More content means more chances to rank. Step 13, track your results. Use Google Analytics right? Or Google Search Console, like we just did now, and track traffic, keywords, clicks, improves data, or improves based on data, basically, right? So avoid keyword stuffing, low quality content, ignoring mobile users, no SEO optimization, expecting fast results. So just to rewind one last time, choose a keyword, create content, optimize page in Wix, submit to Google Search Console, and build back links. And then you're done. Ranking on Google Wix with Wix in 2026 is completely possible. You just need the right strategy and consistency. Focus on good content, proper SEO setup, regular updates. That's how you grow your traffic over time. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.